Ever wondered why the moon looks different each night and why it shows up at certain times? It all comes down to the position of the moon relative to the Earth and the Sun. Start with the new moon. The moon is directly between Earth and the Sun. We don't see it because the sunlit side faces away from us. It rises with the sun at 6 a.m. and sets at 6 p.m., completely lost in the daylight. As it moves slightly to the side, we get a waxing crescent. Now, just a sliver of the lit side is visible after sunset, best seen in the western sky from around 6:30 to 8 p.m. At the first quarter, the moon is 90 degrees from the sun. Half its face is lit, and it's directly overhead at sunset, perfectly visible until midnight. Then comes the waxing gibbous. The moon is now swinging further around Earth, rising mid-afternoon and shining bright from evening into the early morning. A full moon means the moon is opposite the sun, with Earth in between. Sunlight fully illuminates its face. It rises at sunset, is visible all night, and sets at sunrise. That's its peak moonlight. Next is the waning gibbous. It starts rising late at night and is best seen from midnight to dawn. By the last quarter, the moon is 90 degrees from the sun again, but now on the other side. It rises around midnight and is high in the early morning sky. Finally, the waning crescent is barely visible in the east before sunrise. The moon is now swinging back in between Earth and the sun, preparing to restart the cycle. So next time you see the moon, think about where it actually is in space. It's a giant clock in the sky. Once you learn to read it, you'll never see the night the same way again.